Point Breeze North, I think, Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. It's a brand new vertical express installed by Industrial Commercial. It's traditional, not Atoll. It's not here. I think only one is open. I think about 2 and 3 floors above are locked. Yeah. Yeah, one is not too far up. It's a little bit up, but not too far. I think the freight's right over there. There's people right there. Oh, so that's on the ground. The buttons are slightly lit. It's a basic powder coat painted primer. Vertical express thyssenkrupp elevator here by the ground. Doors there is a little cracked. I know a lot this being installed. It took a while for a tenant to come here. Yeah, closest night's gonna be at